210L provides precision grading, spreading material, fine grading, getting the subgrade prepped for putting base material on. It sits low to the ground. It doesn't bounce around, so it's able to provide smooth, consistent grade across the job site. In the application, we have the choice of doing a single mass in the center near the pivot point with a slope sensor, or using dual mass. The 210L is able to not only make grade, carry grade, but then you can also use the bucket to move the material out of the way, bring material in tight spaces. With this setup, we're able to either do 2D laser-based, or we can actually put a GPS system on there as well and still do the lift and tilt control in automatic. The most exciting thing about this solution is the ability for the customer to deliver unbelievable tabletop finish grade. It's the go-to for the type of work these guys do.